Hello everyone, you're watching EngLanGo and this is your instructor Hamid Talash Ibrahimi with one of the interesting topic today. The topic is phrasal verbs. Dear all, you may know about phrasal verb or may not know, but you might have experienced them in your daily conversation, or जब आपने किसी के साथ conversation किया हो, you might have listened it. Now, what is phrasal verb? You need to know about it. It includes two parts. Phrasal verbs include two parts: the verb and preposition or adverb. The meaning of the phrasal verb is totally changed from the main verb. For example, to break means different. Tolna. Break means tolna, to break something. But breakdown has different meaning. To get upset. For example, she broke down when she listened about the death of her son. Usse dukh hua, broke down. Broke down is the second form of breakdown. Now it is used as a phrasal verb and its meaning is different, to get upset. The next one is count on, rely on. Count means counting, count karna, shmaral. But count on has different meaning. It's a phrasal verb and it means to rely on someone. I'm counting on you, my son. I'm counting on you in the speech competition. Mean, मुझे पता है कि आप ही ये काम कर सकते हैं. The next one is cut in. Cut in mean to interrupt. To interrupt. Sorry for cutting in. Please don't cut in mean interrupt mat karo. The next one is hit up. Contact me. Hit up mean to contact me. Now, for example, please hit me up before the event. Please hit me up before you reach to the hospital. The next one is shop around. I hope you're doing shop around sometimes when things are very expensive and you want to buy shirt or pant for yourself. Same is the case here. We go for shop around. Shop around means to compare prices. And we do that usually. Now, shop around means to compare prices. We shop around before we buy something. We shop around before we go for shopping. Now that's how we are using this phrasal verb when we are going to go for the comparison of prices. The next one is do down. Do down means to criticize someone. Hey, my son, don't do down. I mean, don't criticize. My brother, is doing down all the time. I mean, मेरा भाई हमेशा criticize करता है. Or she is doing down on me. Now that's how we are using this do down when we are going to say or to criticize someone or something. The next one is catch up. Means see you later. Catch, pakarna, but catch up means see you later, alligator. Now, for example, catch you up later. Catch you up later. बाद में मिलेंगे. So they are the phrasal verbs and the phrasal verbs has different meaning. And you need to know that phrasal verbs has two parts. Verb, preposition, or adverb, they are making phrasal verbs. In the coming tutorials, we are going to know more about the phrasal verbs, idioms, different collocations, how verbs and they were noun and adjective, they are making pairs, many vocabulary we are going to learn. Don't forget to know about techniques of learning vocabulary. If you have the phrasal verbs and you're communicating with them, that will make your conversation beautiful. Thank you so much.